How to convert YouTube video to a blog post. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can convert your YouTube video into a blog post in just a few clicks. So please follow me till the end and let's dive into the process. So first you have to click the link in my description box and you are going to land over here on this interface where you just have to search for this YouTube URL box, and what you have to do is just click over here and just copy the YouTube link that you want to change into like a blog post and just paste it over here and then click continue. And once you click continue, it's like going to change the video into like a blog post for you. For that you have to just click a service type. I've chosen standard because I am on a free version. And then if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see that you can select language. I'm going to choose English and then select target language. That is chosen English already. And then you just have to scroll down and here you can just click any one of these. I'm going to click transcribe portion of file and click I'm not a robot and then just click transcribe, and you will see in a few moments it will change it for you into text. And here you can see that my request is now being processed and my YouTube video will soon be converted into a blog. And yeah, I'll come back once it's done. So here you can see that it's processed 54% and it's like processing more, and here you can see that my blog is getting ready. So that's how you convert your YouTube videos into blogs. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.